The best gaming keyboard will accompany your gaming PC for many years, and that's why it's so important to get a good one. We have selected 5 best mechanical gaming keyboards under $50. Number 5 is Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. 10 keyless compact mechanical gaming keyboard. Redragon K552 TKL small compact with dust-proof mechanical switches. Cherry MX Red equivalent linear switches. Quiet click sound. Fast action with minimal resistance without a tactile bump feel. Rainbow LED RGB backlit mechanical USB gaming keyboard. 19 different lighting effects and game modes. 2 user-defined modes. 6 colors. Multiple brightness level. Breathing speed. Precision engineered keycaps offering crystal clear uniform backlighting. Anti-ghosting. All 87 keys are conflict-free. N-key rollover featuring 12 multimedia keyboard keys and a non-slip ergonomic, splash-proof design. Comes with gold-plated high-speed corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection. Compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. Limited macOS keyboard support. Works well with all major computers, brands and gaming pieces. Number 4 is Havit Mechanical Keyboard. The design of this gaming keyboard is based on ergonomics and with a folding stand at the back, which provides a comfortable typing angle and effectively reduces the burden on the wrist. Red Switches Mechanical Keyboard. Each switch is with durability of 50 million times, and the sound is quiet when the button is pressed lightly. Very popular in the office and games. This 60% mechanical keyboard is with unique and high-quality PBT keycaps, which have excellent touch experience and long serving time. Colorful keycaps can bring a more pleasant mood to games or work. With 89 key design, the wired keyboard saves space while retaining the number keys. Perfect for office and games. Press F and plus backspace. Turn on the Noom lock. The backlight of the number pad is on and functional. Number 3 is Redragon K582 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Redragon K582 gaming keyboard is equipped with hot swappable Redragon brown switches, which offers the best tactile typing experience with little bump, also being ever so slightly quieter, fitting for office or gaming use. And you will get 8 spare switches as a gift. N-key rollover, 100% anti-ghosting. 104 keys ensure the most accurate simultaneous key presses. Fully programmable, reassign any key or set up the most extreme macros for effortless gaming. Dynamic RGB backlight. 6 backlight themes and 18 backlight models allow you to type in the dark. You can adjust its brightness with F and plus up/down. Arrow key in any non-breathing mode. Extreme durability, 50 million times keystroke test, small actuation force and short travel make it. Solid base with double injection ABS keycaps design. It is built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Number 2 is FIODIO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This mechanical gaming keyboard features 3 DIY backlight modes and 19 fantastic backlight modes: streaming, racing, breathing and so on. Bright lighting effects offer an immersive gaming experience to you. The brightness and lighting speed of the keyboard is available to change. You can choose the effect as you like. 104 key rollover with anti-ghosting design ensures the most accuracy of your commands in any use case scenario, and will never miss a single key press or confuse your commands under any conditions. Different from other plastic keyboards, this mechanical gaming keyboard is designed with metal superstructure, which makes the keyboard more texture and more durable. Ergonomic honeycomb wrist rest to relieve discomfort or fatigue of your wrist for long hours working or gaming. The keyboard is extremely durable to ensure longer service life. If you're into fast-paced games such as first-person shooters, linear switches will give you an edge. There is no dome to compress or click to overcome. The keystroke is consistent and smooth that offers unmistakable feedback when pressed. Number 1 is E-YOOSO Blue Switches Wired Gaming Keyboard. E-YOOSO mechanical keyboard originally equipped with blue switch excellent paragraph tactile sense feedback. When you press it, it has a clear loud clicky kacha sound, and this quickly medium resistance feedback perfect for typing and gaming. Pluggable hot swap switch design allows you to DIY or replace the switch anytime according to your needs. PCB support 98% 3 pins mechanical switch replaceable. E-YOOSO K620 mechanical keyboard is not only a gaming keyboard but also makes a work of art. The space-saving 87 key structure and 3-color keycap design makes the keyboard full of the artistic beauty of the rules brought about by different color differences. Besides, double-shot injection molded keycaps offer great durability and water-resistant. The upper layer of keycap frosted avoids characters from scratch-off or being worn out and does not leave fingerprints. E-YOOSO keyboards are made of quality ABS structure material. Most important is that an ergonomic designed mechanical keyboard, which provides ergonomic curves, non-slip adjustable rear feet offering the perfect angle, which fit your hands perfectly to prevent fatigue, even during the most testing marathon gaming or other FPS gaming.